Today, scientists are modifying life for a better tomorrow. Thus, it has emerged as a fascinating frontier. It may sound like something out of a superhero movie, but it's real and it's happening right now in labs around the globe. Today, we can tweak the DNA of living things to enhance their abilities, and the credit for all this goes to advancements in science. In this video, we'll discuss this topic in detail, talk about some recent examples, and we'll even discuss the pros of making such new organisms. For creating better organisms, now what is genetic modification? Well, at its core, genetic modification involves changing an organism's DNA. And because DNA has the genetic instructions that determine how it grows, develops, and functions, changing DNA fully changes the organism. You can think of it like rewriting the code of life. While this may sound complex, let's break it down with a few simple examples. Scientists are making animals that glow in the dark. Ever wish your pet fish could light up your room without the need for electricity? Well, scientists have made that dream a reality by introducing jellyfish DNA into other animals, making them bioluminescent. This means these animals can produce their light just like a firefly or a deep-sea creature. Rabbits with jellyfish genes glow. For instance, researchers have successfully created glow-in-the-dark rabbits. By incorporating a fluorescent protein gene from jellyfish into rabbits, the rabbits ended up with a natural glow. While this might not serve a practical purpose, it showcases the incredible possibilities that genetic modification can bring. But if you want to talk about something practical, consider this next example. Mosquitoes are battling disease-carrying mosquitoes. Mosquitoes are infamous for spreading diseases like malaria, hence causing harm to millions of people each year. But what if we could turn the tables on these disease-spreading insects? Wouldn't it be amazing if we could? Well, to everyone's surprise and delight, scientists have done this deed through genetic modification. Scientists have developed mosquitoes that carry a modified gene that makes it harder for them to transmit the malaria parasite. When these new mosquitoes mate with old mosquitoes, the modified gene spreads through the population, potentially reducing the spread of malaria. And that's only one practical use. There are so many more ways newly developed living things are helping us. For example, consider this next example. Scientists are growing nutrient-rich new crops. Imagine rice that only fills your stomach but also provides essential nutrients like vitamin A. Thanks to genetic modification again, now we can grow food that is rich with nutrients. Consider the golden rice, for example. It is a genetically modified strain of rice that has been engineered to produce beta-carotene, a foundation to vitamin A. This innovation holds enormous potential for combating vitamin A deficiency. And because vitamin A deficiency is a significant health issue in many developing countries, this new rice strain is a savior for them. Malnutrition will end with new plants. By enhancing the nutritional content of crops through genetic modification, scientists aim to address malnutrition and its associated health problems. Golden rice is a shining example of how genetic tweaks can be used to improve the nutritional value of our food. Soon enough, food we eat will have all the important nutrients that your body needs. Potential and pros of genetic modification. While the examples above showcase the exciting possibilities of genetic modification, it's essential to consider the potential pros for future as well. So, the first benefit we have cleared is the production of improved crops. In future, and even today to a limit, we can enhance crop yields. We can make crops more resistant to pests and diseases. Moreover, there will be marvelous medical breakthroughs in the future. Genetic modification in medicine has the potential to treat and prevent diseases. From modifying bacteria to producing insulin to creating genetically modified organisms for pharmaceutical purposes, the medical field is on the brink of revolutionary breakthroughs. Genetic modification is a powerful tool. While genetic modification holds incredible promise for improving our world, it also demands careful consideration. As science continues to push boundaries, the challenge is to ensure that we fully understand and unlock the secrets of DNA. Lack of consideration can result in diseases that are made in laboratories and are harder to combat. And this is just one example. Without careful consideration, the organisms we create can bring us endless destruction. The journey into the world of genetic modification is just beginning. And with the right guidance and ethical considerations, it could pave the way for a brighter, healthier, and more sustainable future. In future, we will be creating life that is better suited to our needs. Let us know in the comments what you think about making these new and better organisms. Remember to like and share this video as well, and if you want to watch more content like this, stay tuned to our channel.